In front of me is LENOVO Tab P11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings. Now you need to scroll down to click on Security and Privacy. Then scroll again to tap on Device Unlock and tap on Screen Lock. Now it's time to select one of those login methods you wish to use: pattern, PIN or password. Click on the best one and create it. If you want to remake it, hit clear at the bottom left corner and redo it. To continue, hit next at the bottom right one. Now repeat it to confirm it, and when you're ready, hit confirm. Following that, you need to answer this question: how do you want the lock screen to display, to decide what to do with lock screen notifications. Tap on one of those options to set it up. Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, hit done at the bottom right corner. So when I go back, switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!